How to clear cache on CapCut app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to clear cache on CapCut easily. First thing, go to the app. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go to the top corner, click on this little settings icon and it will take you to this page. Scroll down like this and you will find clear cache option. All what you have to do is click on it and click OK right here and your cache will be cleared. It's so easy and fast. As you can see, all what you have to do is click settings as we said and click clear cache. So if this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.